Hello guys, welcome to Makaut Smashers. Today's video topic is all about Python programming language. So at first, Python is a high-level, versatile and interpreted programming language known for its readability and simplicity. Guido van Rossum created Python and it was first released in 1991. Over the years, it has become one of the most popular programming languages due to its ease of use and extensive community support. So at first, readability and simplicity. Python emphasizes code readability and a clean syntax, making it easy for beginners to learn and understand. The use of indentation instead of braces or keyword for block delimiters enhances code readability. Interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language, which means the source code is executed line by line by an interpreter rather than being compiled into a machine code. This feature makes Python a high flexible language as code can be executed on different platforms without the need for recompilation. High level language. Python is a high level language, which means it abstracts many complex details from the programmer, providing a more straightforward and productive coding experiences. Dynamic typing. Python is a dynamically typed, allowing you to create variables without specifying their data type explicitly. The interpreter determines the type during runtime. Also, Python supports object-oriented programming, which facilitates code organizations and reusability through the use of classes and objects. And extensive standard library. Python comes with a comprehensive standard library that includes modules and packages for various tasks such as networking, file, I/O, databases, web development, and more. This reduces the need for external libraries for many common tasks and also some community support and documentation. Python has a large and active community for developers, which means there is a wealth of resource, documentation and third-party libraries available. The official Python website, python.org, provides extensive documentation and tutorials for both beginners and experienced developers. Also, some popular frameworks like Python has a rich ecosystem of framework and libraries such as Django and Flask. We all will discuss in this video. And a community-driven development. Python's development is driven by an open source community, allowing users to contribute to its improvement and evolution. So the question can be arised that why Python? Because in the market we have large and many type of programming languages. So why the market is shifted towards Python? So Python is a popular programming language for various reasons, and its widespread adoption can be attributed to several key advantages like readability and simplicity, versatility, large standard library, and community support, ease of learning, productivity and rapid development, cross-platform compatibility, object-oriented programming, community-driven development, libraries and frameworks, integration capabilities, job market demand, and etc. Overall, the combination of readability, versatility, community support, and a vast ecosystem of libraries and framework makes Python an excellent choice for a wide range of programming tasks and applications, right? So, we should discuss about the history of Python. Python is a high-level programming language, has a history that spans several decades. So, Genesis, late 1980s. Python's development began in the late 1980s. Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer, started working on a project during the Christmas holidays in December 1989. He aimed to create a language that would overcome the limitation of the ABC language. Python 0.9.0, February 1991. The first official release of Python version. It's released in February 1991. This release already includes frameworks or features like exception handling, functions and modules. Python 1.0. It was released in January 1994. It includes new features like lambda, map, filter and reduce. Python started gaining attention and was recognized for its readability and ease of use, right? And Python 2.0 released in October 2000 introduced list comprehension, garbage collection and Unicode support. This version solidified Python's positions as a powerful and versatile programming language. Python 3.0, also known as Python 3000 or Py3k, marked a significant milestone and it was released in December 2008. It included numerous improvements and changes to the language to enhance clarity and eliminate inconsistencies. However, it was not backward compatible with Python 2, leading to a gradual transition. Community growth and adoption. Python's community continued to grow and the language gained popularity in various domains, including web development, scientific computing, data analysis, and AI. The rise of frameworks like Django and Flux contributed to Python's dominance in web development. Proliferation of Python libraries and frameworks. Python's ecosystem flourished with the development of numerous libraries and frameworks like NumPy, SciPy for scientific computing, Pandas for data manipulation, TensorFlow and PyTorch for machine learning, Django for web development are just a few examples, right? Python Software Foundation or PSF. The Python Software Foundation, a non-profit organization, was established in 2001 to promote the project or protect and advance the Python programming language. The PSF supports Python related events, projects and the continued development of the language. Python 2 end of life. Python 2 reached its end of life on January 1, 2020. The community transitions to Python 3 and developers were encouraged to upgrade their code bases to ensure compatibility and take advantages of the latest features. Ongoing development. Python continues to evolve with regular releases, introducing new features and optimizations and improvements. The language maintains its position as one of the most programming languages globally, with a large and active community. Python's history reflects a commitment to simplicity, readability, and adaptability, making it a language that appeals to beginners and experienced developers alike. Its ongoing development and widespread adoption in various fields demonstrate its enduring relevance in the world of programming. Now we should discuss about the application of Python. At first, in web development. Python is widely used in web development and has become a popular choice for building robust and scalable web applications. Its simplicity, readability and versatility make it suitable for various aspects of web development. So some key application of web development. First, web frameworks. Python has several web frameworks that simplify the process of building web applications. The two most popular ones are Django and another is Flask. Django, a high-level web framework that follows don't repeat yourself principle or try principle. It includes ORM, Object Relational Mapping System, built-in admin interface, and follows the MVC, Model View Controller architectural pattern. Flask, a lightweight and microwave framework that provides the essential for building web application. Flask is modular and also allows developers to choose their component, making it highly customizable. Second is Custom Content Management System or CMS. Python is widely used to create content management system that enable the easy management and publications of digital content. Django CMS is an example of a Python-based CMS that integrates seamlessly with the Django web framework. E-commerce platform. Python is employed in the development of e-commerce platform for building online stores and handling transactions. Popular platforms like Cellier and Oscar use Python to provide a scalable and customizable e-commerce solutions. Fourth, web scraping. Python's libraries such as Beautiful Soup and Scrappy are widely used for web scraping. Web scraping involves extracting data from websites, and Python's simplicity makes it an excellent choice for the task. RESTful API, application programming interfaces. Python is often used to build RESTful APIs that allow communication between the different components of a web application. Frameworks like Flask, RESTful, and Django REST framework simplify the process of creating APIs. And another real-time applications and web scraping and crawling, microservices architecture, server-side scripting, web testing and automation. In these cases, Python is also used. Next, application of Python in data science and machine learning. Python has gained immense popularity in the field of data science and machine learning due to its versatility and ease of use in a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. So at first, data analysis. Python, along with libraries like Pandas, is widely used for data analysis. Pandas provides data structure and tools for efficient data manipulation and analysis, making it a fundamental tool for exploratory data analysis or EDA. Visualization. Python's Matplotlib and Seaborn libraries, among others, are commonly used for data visualization. These libraries enable the creation of charts, graphs, and plots to help analysis and data scientists to visualize patterns and trends in the data. Third is machine learning. Python is a preferred language for building and deploying machine learning models. Popular machine learning libraries such as scikit-learn provide a wide range of algorithms for tasks like classification, regression, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. Second is, or number fourth is deep learning. Python is a dominating language in the field of deep learning. Frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, both of which are implemented in Python, are extensively used for building and training deep learning networks for tasks like image recognition, NLP, and more. Number 5 is NLP. Python is widely used in NLP applications for processing and analyzing human language data. Libraries such as NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, and SPACY, providing tools for tasks like tokenization, part of speech tagging, and sentiment analysis. Right. Number 6 is about big data processing. Python is used in conjunction with big data processing framework like Apache Spark, PySpark. The Python API for Spark allows developers to leverage the power of Spark for distributed data processing and analysis. Number 7 is data mining. Python is employed in data mining applications to discover patterns and relationships within the large dataset. Libraries like scikit-learn and Orange provide tools for data mining, tasks such as clustering and association, rule mining, feature engineering. Python is used for data pre-processing tasks, include cleaning and transforming raw data into a suitable format for analysis and modeling. Libraries like pandas and scikit-learn offer tools for data processing. Statistical analysis. Python's ecosystem supports statistical analysis through libraries like stats, models, and SciPy. These libraries provide tools for statistical testing, hypothesis testing, and other statistical modeling tasks. Reproducibility and collaboration. Python's Jupyter Notebook play a significant role in data science workflows. This interactive notebook allow for the creation of executable documents that include both code and explanation, promoting reproducibility and collaborative analysis. And others like automated machine learning. In this case, Python is also used. Next application of Python is automation and scripting. Python is widely used in this field due to its simplicity and readability and versatility. Its clean syntax and extensive standard library make it an excellent choice for automating repetitive tasks, system administration, and various scripting scenarios. At first, system administration. Python is used for automation testing, administration tasks such as managing files, directories, and permission, as well as executing shell commands. Tools like Ansible, which is written in Python, leverage the language for configuration management and automation in IT infrastructure. Task automation. Python scripts can be written to automate repetitive tasks such as file manipulation, data processing, and any action that can be scripted. This helps save time and reduce the likelihood of human error. Network automation. Python is widely used for network automation tasks, including the configuration and management of network devices. Libraries like Paramiko, NetMiko simplify the interaction with network devices through SSH and on other protocols. Web scraping. Python is popular choice for web scraping, extracting data from websites for various purposes. Libraries such as Beautiful Soup, Scrappy facilitates the process of navigating and extracting information from HTML and XML document. Automating GUI application. Python can be used for automating interaction with graphical user interface applications. Tools like PyAutoGUI allows developers to programmatically control the mouse and keyboard to automate tasks and in GUI-based application. Data processing and analysis, task scheduling, deployment automation, file and directory operations, test automation, scripting for DevOps. So, Internet of Things automation. In these cases, Python is also used. So next application in game development. While Python is not as performance oriented as some other languages like C++ for game development, it is still used in various aspects of game development processes. Prototyping and rapid development. Python's ease of use and quick development cycle make it suitable for prototyping and rapid development of game concept. Developers can iterate faster in Python and experimenting with game mechanics and features. Scripting and gameplay logic. Python is often used for scripting and implementing gameplay logic in game engines. Game engines like Unity and Godot allow developers to use Python scripts to control game behavior and events and interactions. AI programming. Python is employed in developing AI components for games. Libraries like Pygame provide tools for implementing AI algorithms, and machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch can be used for more advanced AI applications. Level design and tools. Python can be used for create custom tools and scripts for level design, asset management, and content creation. This helps streamline the game development pipeline and enhances the productivity. And also other cases like server-side game component, data analysis for game analytics, augmented reality and virtual reality, simulation in games, that is also used in Python. So some another applications of Python in networking and cybersecurity. Python is widely used in the field of networking and cybersecurity due to its versatility and ease of use and experimental and extensive libraries. So at first, network automation. Python is popular choice for automating network-related tasks such as device configuration, provisioning and monitoring. Tools like NetMiko and Napalm provide Python binding for interacting with network devices via SSH or APIs. Network configuration management. Python scripts can be written to manage and version network configuration. Version control system like Git, when combined with Python, enable network engineers to track changes, rollback configuration, and maintain consistency across devices. Network monitoring and analysis. Python is used for creating custom network monitoring and analysis tools. Libraries like SAPI allows for packet manipulation and analysis, while frameworks like PyShark provide a Python interface for Wireshark. Okay, network scanning and discovery. Python scripts are employed for network scanning and discovery tasks. Tools like Nmap have Python binding, and libraries like SCAPI enable the creation of custom network scanning tools for identifying active hosts and open ports. Security automation. Python is used for automating security-related tasks including vulnerability scanning, penetration testing, and incident response. Security automation frameworks like the Hive and Cortex leverage Python for integration and extensibility. Packet capture and analysis. Firewall automation. Intrusion detection system (IDS). Cryptography and encryption. Python also provides robust libraries for implementing cryptographic algorithms and encryption protocols. Libraries like PyCryptodome support a wide range of cryptographic operations used in securing network communication. Threat intelligence and information gathering. Also, web application security testing, security information and event management (SIEM), honeypots and deception technologies. We use Pythons. Okay. So at last, whether you are a beginner to learn to code or experienced developer working on complex project, Python provides a user-friendly environment, making it accessible and enjoyable for broad audience. Its impact spans education, research, business, and innovation, solidifying its place as one of the most popular and influential programming languages today. As Python continues to evolve and adapt to challenges, its role in shaping the future of technology remains significant. Whether you are building a web application, analyzing data, securing networks, or exploring the realm of AI, the Python is reliable and powerful tool that empowers developers to turn ideas into reality. So that's it. In next upcoming videos, we also see some other programming languages like C++, JavaScript. So that's it. So goodbye. For like, share and subscribe our channel for the upcoming videos. So thanks for watching.